Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow Instagram access to your contact list on your phone to find and sync contacts. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And you want to scroll down underneath where it says how others can interact with you and select follow and invite friends. And then where it says contacts and people to follow, select where it says follow contacts. At this point, you would have to allow Instagram access to your contact list, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.